What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mikey fishing June 29th, 2025. It's your birthday.
Hey, it's your day. It's not Monday. It's not Tuesday. It's not Wednesday. It's not Thursday. It's not Friday. It's not Saturday. It's not Thursday. It's your birthday.
It's your birthday, guys. It's your birthday, man. What time is it? 6 o'clock? Not even 6 o'clock. I don't even know where we're going. I just know it's my birthday and we about to go somewhere. Shout out to the boo. Shout out to Ultimate. I don't even know where we're going, but we're going to see what happens. Long fly. Hope hard. Like the video. Stay tuned for more content. Beautiful. 24 years old. Appreciate it. So I already won. We're going to let them fly. But where we at, boo? The water. We got a boat. Hey, boater. This is great views right here, twin. Look at boo. We got a camera back there. David. Hey, Davidson. No, this is nice. Water.
At least try it, because if they're here, they're going to be 40 plus inches. They'll be big reds.
I don't know.
I got drag.
I think I'm on the bottom.
Right at it.
Yeah.
Hold the spool
And pull it.
Just pull straight back.
Appreciate that.
Still some weight on
Should I recast?
Yeah, reel it in. There's still some weight on there. Probably got a piece of wood or something.
Thank you. Waiting game. How you know if the tide is falling or rising?
The ocean's back that way. Going towards the ocean.
Is that so? If it's flowing towards us, does that mean it's falling?
Falling, yeah. Going out.
What size leaders are you usually running on your?
It's 20 pound. It's actually it's a hybrid line by Zeri. It's not straight fluorocarbon. It's fluorocarbon and Kevlar.
Kevlar, okay. Go ahead, boo.
Yeah, straight fluorocarbon cut into itself. Not.
Yeah.
We can go try somewhere else.
Let's do it.
So,
Oh, really?
I feel like
Imagine I got that one just now.
the thing about SheepsHead too is they eat it and you miss them, they'll eat it again.
Hmm.
Right back
Yeah,
out.
right back out.
Is the bite subtler than like a bluegill bite?
It feels like
Kinda like that.
There he is.
got one.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
W's. W ultimate.
W's. Very subtle.
Yeah, very, yeah.
I'm still in his spot now. I'm not gonna lie to you. He's got one. We gotta get his one.
Y'all keeping fish?
Yes, sir. That's dinner.
Alright.
Dinner right there, twin. Say that.
Now we need to get about 4 or 5 more. Yeah, that'll definitely be dinner.
Just had one. He took half my crab.
Or
I am getting robbed blind.
You getting robbed blind, twin? Happened to the best of us. Yeah, they robbing you, twin.
I know. I
need to. Do that. Yeah, come down there.
I saw the bite.
Yeah, that little spot right there.
She's not really quick. She crab.
Hey, sheepshead fishing, good way to get knocked out too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, fiddler.
There you go.
A dinky. I appreciate you, dinky, for biting though.
Mike, turn around.
A little dink.
Oh yeah, I gotta get the fish.
First one. No,
He's not even in the mouth. He hooked him in the face.
Hey, I had to hook him though.
Careful, his gills are like razor
Yeah.
blades.
You throwing this guy back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. First sheepy. Bro, I said I need to stop setting the hook like that. I need to stop doing that. It's such a habit. To the
Hard to turn away from
to the side.
what 10 plus years of doing
Yeah.
bass fishing.
To the side. To the side. What's over there busting like that? Red drum.
How's it going?
Oh, he pulled off. That was about the same size.
Looking a little better.
He might have been a little bit better. Maybe an inch or two more.
Yeah, that's all you need too.
Yeah.
That nice little bit.
Yeah, after you set the hook, you can be easy on them. This is so shallow.
I'm sorry.
You pull. Oh, you're fine. When you snatch them up out of the water, they come off pretty easy.
I know that bass. I be
You just
just.
gotta hold them next to the boat till I can get in the net.
Oh, gotcha. I got you. What the freak? Where'd my crab go? Hold on. I did have a little nibble though, and he might have robbed me completely blind.
We'll do it.
But
With him and keep him in the water. Oh, okay. I thought he was bigger than that.
nah, he was small.
I looked there, that rod was bent.
I've never.
He might keep. You gotta be 10 inches.
10 inches. Oh, no, he's like
Yeah.
he's like 9.5.
10 to here.
Gotcha. Little short. It's all good. You can throw him back. Might have just got robbed.
That's the smallest sheepshead I've ever seen.
I didn't get robbed.
You even caught it.
Hey, that hook sit on point. I'm telling you.
That actually looked like a Spanish for a second.
Seen them
Little
this
sheepy.
far up, but I have seen them in the river.
Yeet him.
Here you are, Nick. Here, come grab
Here,
this.
take this.
He's on there. There you go. Got it? Black drum. Yeah, it's not a keeper.
Kind of look like a sheephead.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. I had a bite as soon as I dropped it in. Must have been a juicy crab. I had the good touch.
Yeah. That's what you start putting them on.
Right. Stop. Bro.
It's getting low.
Back drum.
By that.
Hmm?
By that tree right there. Oh, it was right there too.
Sure do feel good.
Yes, sir. A nice little bit of cloud coverage.
It got a bite, didn't it? That thing have a bite right in. Oh. I thought that thing was twitching.
My favorite thing in the world, tying on a new lure on a boat.
Your favorite thing? Maybe the worst.
I mean, if it's as long as it's not choppy, it's all right.
Yeah.
When it's choppy, it's a struggle right there.
I need you to capture my cast, cause
Capture the cast.
yeah, cause I mean, casting pretty hard.
You enjoy yourself? Let's go.
Are you?
Yep.
That's good.
Surely did. Sorry, Osman. I lost your setup. I hate losing setup, bro. W day so far. More to come.
Sure.
Davis, and I appreciate the charter. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Sheepheads, red drum. Well, we call black drum, but we can catch red drum too. Just didn't catch that today.
Catch a gar.
Gar,
And a crab.
flounder. Try to catch a flounder.
I would love to catch a flounder.
What's good, everybody, man? It's your boy Mikey Fishing, man. I want to give a huge shout out to everybody that watched this video, that wished me a happy birthday, man. I really appreciate everybody that showed love, and thank you to Ultimate and my boo for taking me on this trip. I really appreciate it. Shout out to everybody tuned in. We caught some sheephead. I didn't even know I caught 3 sheephead that day. Caught some sheephead, some black drum. We went for flounder and we went for red drum, but they weren't biting that day, man. And the tide was low. We wanted a high tide so we can go fish some more stuff, but all good, all good. Still had a great time no matter what, and the sheephead busted 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, had a seafood boil that night. I hope everybody enjoyed the video, man. Like the video, stay tuned for more content, hit the sub button. Let's try to get 10 likes on this video, man. We're gonna never hit our like goals, I'm not gonna lie, man, but we're gonna try to see if we can hit one today. Shout out to everybody tuning in, let them fly, hug them hard, enjoy the rest of y'all day, man.